Climb checklist flaps are up, mixture is set. Climb checklist complete.
Whiskey contact, NorCal departure.
Going to departure for 9 Tango Whiskey. Thanks for your help.
Downwind 2912, contact Oakland Center 128.7.
After the NorCal Cessna 739 Tango Whiskey, just off Salinas at 2,600.
Number 739 Tango Whiskey, NorCal approach, ident.
Ident for 9 Tango Whiskey.
Options 854, climb, maintain flight level 190, expect direct Avenal on about 5 miles. November 8458 Juliet, NorCal approach. Information X-ray started at Salinas, wind 29010, altimeter 2999, runway 31 in use.
Good afternoon, local, Cessna 25914, request.
Cessna 25914 NorCal approach, Monterey altimeter 3001, clear request.
Cessna 25914, Cessna 152 land uniform, now 9 miles northwest from King City Airport, 4,500 feet, and request flight following to retail view, Romeo Hotel Victor.
Options 854, turn left direct Avenal, resume on navigation. November 25914, squawk 0326.
Squawk 0326, 914.
Okay, aircraft's going to Monterey. Stand by a second, you're blocking somebody else. November 914, first contact me on 127.15 and squawk 0326.
127.15 and 0326, 914, thank you.
An aircraft that wants to go to Monterey, you were blocked. Say your call sign again. Number 2824 Foxtrot, suggest you stop the descent at 5,000, traffic at a mile east your position westbound, 4,500 indicated. Number 25914 NorCal approach, radar contact, 20 miles southeast of Salinas, stay altitude. Number 914, radar contact, traffic 12 o'clock in a mile, opposite direction, 5,000 is a Trinidad. ExactJet 227, contact Oakland Center 128.7, great day. ExactJet 227, Oakland Center 28.7. And just say your call sign one more time. I don't need the other information. Altimeter 3001. Manager X-ray squawk 0331. Trinidad 2824 Foxtrot. That traffic is a mile southwest of position northwestbound at 4,500 of Cessna. Number 441 Julie Bravo North Cap Approach, runway altimeter 3002. Oxys 854, contact Oakland Center 128.7. Tango Whiskey, contact Palo Alto Tower.
Go on to Palo Alto Tower for 9 Tango Whiskey. Thanks for your help.
Bye-bye.
Clear for the option.
Number 2, clear for the option, runway 31, looking for the Cessna 565. Alpha Tower, good afternoon, Grumman 1633 Romeo is ready. 31, close traffic.
Grumman 1633 Romeo, Palo Alto Tower, hold short, runway 31, landing traffic.
Hold short 3133 Romeo.
Palo Alto Tower says the 739 Tango Whiskey is 10 to the south, inbound with X-ray.
739 Tango Whiskey, Palo Alto Tower, make straight in, runway 31. Information, hotel, current wind 320 at 8, altimeter 3000, runway 31, use caution for bird.
Okay, straight in for 3-1, and thanks for hotel. 9 Tango Whiskey.
Cessna 565, continue on the base. Instructions, disregard, continue.
Okay, before landing checklist, fuel selector is both. Mixture is set. Autopilot is off. Autopilot is still on.
Confirmation, hotel, current wind 320 at 8, altimeter 3000, runway 3, use caution for bird activity.
Palo Alto Tower, Cessna 739 Zulu Lima, and the run-up ready for takeoff.
This is 739 Zulu Lima, Palo Alto Tower, number 2 for departure.
Number 2 for departure, 9 Zulu Lima.
Cessna 4 Sierra Papa, continue in the left downwind, I will call your base. Go to my base, for Sierra Papa. Cessna 2-3 Golf, upwind to the auto bridge. Cessna 2-3 Golf, extend upwind to the auto bridge. From 33 Romeo, runway 31, line up and wait. Traffic Cessna left downwind.
Line up and wait, 3133 Romeo.
Cessna 9 Zulu Lima, pull up, hold short, runway 31.
Hold short, runway 31, 9 Zulu Lima.
The 733 Zulu Kilo, Palo Alto Tower, number 3 for departure. Cessna 2-3 Golf, extend upwind to the outer bridge. From 33 Romeo, extend upwind to the outer bridge, runway 31.
And autopilot is off before landing checklist is complete.
Close to the bridge, 23 Romeo. Contact service.
565, contact ground.
Contact service.
Cessna 9 Zulu Lima, runway 31, line up and wait. Traffic Cessna left downwind.
Line up wait, 9 Zulu Lima.
4 Sierra Papa, turn base, runway 31, continue traffic, holding position.
4 Papa, turning base.
Cessna 3 Zulu Kilo, pull up, hold short, runway 31. Cessna 3 Sierra Papa, frequency change approved.
Palo Alto Tower, Cap 448, slack with hotel inbound for pattern work.
Cap 448, Palo Alto Tower, make left traffic, runway 31, verify information, hotel.
Information hotel for Cap 448 will make left traffic for runway 31.
Cessna 9 Zulu Lima, runway 31, clear for takeoff. Right down bar.
Clear for takeoff, right number 109 Zulu Lima.
The 3 Zulu Kilo, runway 31, line up and wait, traffic, Cessna, 2 mile left base.
Only 733 Zulu Kilo, line up and wait.
Tower 6 Mike Delta, landing with Hotel. Cessna 906 Mike Delta, top of tower, make left traffic, runway 31, follow Cessna, 12 o'clock, 2 miles, same direction, altitude 1,500.
Inside left traffic 316 Mike Delta.
Cessna 3 Zulu Kilo, runway 31, and clear for takeoff, left Dumbarton.
1733 Zulu Kilo, clear for takeoff via Barton.
Cessna 4 Sierra Papa number 1, runway 31, clear to land.
Go on, cancel that call, Sierra Papa.
Cessna 9 Tango Whiskey number 2, follow Cessna, mile and a half final, runway 31, clear to land.
Number 231, have the Cessna inside, 9 Tango Whiskey.
Cessna 23 Golf, follow Cessna approaching the amphitheater, straight in.
23 Golf, roger, we're looking.
Cap flight 448, fly direct midfield, enter left downwind.
Midfield for left downwind, cap 448.
6 Mike Delta, follow Cessna flying ahead of you by midfield, left downwind.
I understand we're following the traffic and we're going to midfield for the left downwind, 6 Mike Delta.
6 Mike Delta, affirmative.
6 Mike Delta.
Cessna 53 Golf, number 3, follow Cessna inside the amphitheater, runway 31, clear for the option.
Just confirm that's for 23 Golf for number 3.
This is 6523 Golf, affirmative. Number 3, follow Cessna, 2 mile final, runway 31, clear for the option.
We're looking clear for the option, 23 Golf.
Number 33 Romeo, turn crosswind.
33 Romeo is downwind. 33 Romeo, you were number 2 following a Cessna on a mile and a half final, runway 31, clear for the option. Okay, number 2, 31, clear for the option, 33 Romeo.
It's a 23 Golf, 23 Golf disregard. You're going to be number 2 following a Cessna mile final.
23 Golf.
33 Romeo, you're following a Cessna head on the downwind.
Hey, we have him at downwind, 33 Romeo.
Papa, taxi to advantage.
That's a 4 Sierra Papa, contact ground 125.0.
5.0, good day, false Sierra.
Grumman 33 Romeo, transponder appears inoperative, recycle, squawk altitude.
Squawking altitude, 33 Romeo.
Grumman 33 Romeo, transponder appears normal, altitude indicates 900.
33 Romeo.
Cap flight 448, continue in the downwind, follow Grumman, right downwind over the birdhouse.
Cap 448, continue on the downwind, looking for that traffic over the birdhouse.
Cap flight 448, I'll call your base.
You'll call my base, Cap 448.
Cessna 9 Zulu Lima, frequency change approved.
9 Zulu Lima, good day.
Cessna 9 Tango Whiskey, exit taxiway Bravo, contact ground on the parallel. Correction, make it Charlie.
Exit on Charlie and contact grind for 9 Tango Whiskey.
Cap flight 448, turn base.
Base for Cap 448.
This is 6 Mike Delta, follow Cessna, turning base past the amphitheater.
6 Mike Delta, we're following the Cessna, we're looking.
This is 3 Zulu Kilo, frequency change approved.